XVers powered by KOR meets the Buy American Act, government projects often require that materials and equipment, like boilers, meet the Buy American Act, which is intended to promote U.S. manufacturing. The XVers powered by KOR is the perfect boiler to meet these requirements. The KOR is our best-in-class fire tube heat exchanger, fully fabricated, tested, and ASME certified right here in our factory in Oxnard, California, USA. It all comes together and it comes to life in a fully packaged boiler, again, right here in the USA. At Raypak, we're proud of our manufacturing heritage and we are proud to build you world-class products here in America.